What does lung cancer sputum look like with a cough? When you cough and bring up mucus from your lungs, the appearance of that sputum can tell you a lot about what might be happening inside your lungs. In early stages of lung cancer, the sputum is often clear or white and may not be very noticeable. It might be thin and easy to clear, but sometimes it can be thicker or more persistent. As the disease advances, changes in the sputum become more common. You might notice an increase in the amount of mucus you produce, or it may change in color and texture. Sputum that is clear or white is quite common and can be caused by many lung conditions, not just cancer. However, if this type of sputum becomes thick or difficult to clear over time, it could be a sign that something is going on in your lungs. Yellow or green sputum often indicates infection or inflammation, which can happen alongside lung cancer or as a complication. While not specific to cancer, infections are more common in people with lung tumors because the tumors can block airways or weaken lung defenses. Blood in sputum is a very important sign. If you notice streaks of blood, pink-tinged mucus, or larger amounts of blood when you cough, it is critical to see a healthcare provider promptly. Blood in sputum can be caused by tumor growth damaging blood vessels or by infection. Rust-colored sputum is another possible sign, often associated with certain types of lung infections or complications, but it can also be seen in some lung cancers. In rare cases, especially with a type of lung cancer called mucinous adenocarcinoma, the sputum may be watery and produced in large amounts. This condition, known as bronchuria, is uncommon and usually occurs in advanced stages. It can be quite distressing because it leads to excessive fluid in the lungs, making coughing and breathing more difficult. It is important to remember that changes in sputum alone do not diagnose lung cancer. Many other conditions, like infections, allergies, or chronic bronchitis, can cause similar sputum changes. If you have a persistent cough that produces mucus, especially if you notice blood, unexplained weight loss, chest pain, or shortness of breath, you should see a healthcare professional. They can perform tests such as imaging scans and sputum analysis to determine the cause. Any new or ongoing change in your sputum should be taken seriously. Early medical evaluation can lead to earlier diagnosis and better outcomes. Remember, sputum can be examined under a microscope as part of the diagnostic process, but confirming lung cancer requires further testing. In summary, sputum in lung cancer can range from clear or white to yellow, green, blood-tinged, or rust-colored, and in rare cases, it can be watery and excessive. If you notice any persistent or unusual changes, especially when combined with other symptoms, it is essential to consult a healthcare professional for proper assessment and care.